bari gukina basket rero yahuye na bamwe mu bantu bari bateguye hano muri BK Arena. Urabona ko umutipe afite skills kuri basket, rero akaba ari Ashton akaba ari gukina hano umutipe yakuye mu Rwanda, ariko urabona ko bibaye inarive, hari uburyo bitagenze neza, ariko urabona nibwo bakigera muri BK Arena. Bageze muri BK Arena saa moya n'iminota, saa moya zuzuye. Urabona ko bagize urugendo runini byatari bitewe n'uko bagiye i Rusizi aho Ashton Small Kagarara iwabo, ariko urabona ko ni Ashton ukomeje kugira ibihe byiza mu Rwanda. Urabona ko urebye uburyo dribble skills afite rwose, urabona ko ari umuntu wigeze gukina basket, ariko urabona ko nibura bari gupezanya. Urabona ariko gereranyije na speed Ashton we hari skills nyine afite kumurusha gusa, ariko urabona ko ayo batipe kabisa barubatse imibiri, urabona ko byamutwaye igihe kugira ngo agire uno mubiri. Ntabwo ari ibintu nyine wabona gutyo gusa, nabona mu burebure ashobora kuba afite nka metero nka 180. Urabona ni umutipe n'umusore kabisa. Rero baracyakomeje gukina bareba who is going to win the game, gusa byanze bikunze. What a block, what a block. Urabona ko rwose ni ibintu byiza byatari. Urabona ko hagiye hanaza na timu ngari, urebye abantu bavanye na Kagarara ahantu iwabo ndetse n'abandi batipe b'Abanyarwanda. Urabona ko na Rutambi ahari, nibura it is going to be massive. Gusa ariko urabona ko gutsinda byabaye ikibazo, nibura nice one. Urabona ko kavuyemo, gusa ariko urabona ko Ashton ananiwe cyane kubera ko yagize umwanya munini, kubera ko ananahageze asaba n'inkweto yindi yo kwambara bitewe n'inkweto yambaye. Urabona ko yaracuranze 3 points ariko biranga. Ntekereza ko game irangiye rwose ari hatari, bagiye kubera ko ubonye nta muntu n'umwe utsinze, rero buri wese agiye gushuta. Ndabona agiye gushuta 3 points kugira ngo turebe who is going to win, but biranze. Rero reka turebe Ashton himself niba ari buze kuyishyiramo, gusa out. Rero bari kurushanwa 3 points, barebe niba ndani nabyo biranze, ariko Ashton I hope ko iyi ngiri buze kujyamo nayo igiye ku ruhande. Bakazaza izo ni moto, bagati rwose abagabo bakatsa moto, ubundi yarangiza agatwara, bamwita Rutambi, one of the strongest guy dufite kano kanya mu gihugu. Urabona ko iyo bigeze ku bintu nk'ibi kabisa ari ibintu nyine azi neza cyane. Ntabwo twaba umwanya mwinshi, tuvuye muri BK Arena, probably dushobora kuba tugiye kujya muri za
Keep going, don't stop. Let's see who stops first. Let's go.
Ashton, wait. Ashton, wait a moment. Ashton,
Always remember, you tell the world. He's first. You're second. And all of y'all stronger than me. Y'all can have it. I ain't doing that.
two bikers.
No, I ain't doing that.
Ashton hard.
nawe ntabwo yakoze ibyanjye.
Ashton hard. Ashton hard.
Easy. You know how easy it is to make it in the morning? Come on, brother. Hey, respect to you guys. So I seen the video, the clip the other day. It went viral.
Next challenge.
It's love.
Ashton hard. Ashton hard.
moto ziri mwana mu we nawe naza kuri moto sibyara no we nawe naza kuri moto.
You wanna try? Oh, Indian Ash wants to go. Go. Let's get it. Bring the bikes back. Yeah.
Okay, moto ziri.
Nkuko twari turi hano twari tuvuye muri Big Arena ariko nari nakubwiye ko hano hagiye kubera game wabonaga ko hari moto ebyiri Rutambi ndetse n'umuntu bita Ashton bro nezere ko wene
Wabwo ndamwemeje moto ziramukura ziramujyana aneza Kagarara mu kubisirya 7 twirirwanya aha ngaha nari navuye gufata zira moto imbaraga zikoresha nabo baziboye kaza musaye kuri mu bitemu cyashaka nyawo
oya ntabwo
nuca abana so bibonye azanye bagusara ko kazazitora nago zagenda guterura se twaje guterura twaje kureba imbaraga za moto uwazifashe twajana zimugejeje ababi kireka nabisiba
none se uretse gato ubonye ariko umubonsa we ubonye ko
we yateruwe nawe nago zishize hasi na izashira hasi ko dushaka imbaraga za moto natwe guterura nago zagenda ko dushaka ipine ko ryikaraga hasi
ntabwo nyuzwe
sebuje ubikoze ntabwo yabeze mujyanye
tujye muri gym rero nkuko wabibonye ni Rutambi rero ntabwo anyuzwe ariko wabonye ko yaba Kagarara bakoze push up ubona ko Kagarara ari imbere ye ndetse na Ashton Hall India ati tukaba twigiriye Zaria Court ni hano hafi ya tuva Big Arena stade Amahoro ndetse Zaria Court.
You know, the platform we have right now, 500 million views in 30 days. Brother, I'm glad that it came to you. You know, we made the right person, I would say, famous. Especially in For me and you, brother, this is one of the many blessings that God has. This is something. This is only something so you can get a head start. Because I need you to get started. Right? I want you to focus on your content, focus on the message that you're pushing to the world. Right? I posted it on my page one time and everybody was blowing up my phone. Ashton small, Ashton small, Ashton small. They see a light in them, brother. And I just want to say thank you for allowing me to spend 2 weeks with you personally. Love you, bro. Wow.
bahaye bamwita The Ben Gabi nawe ahise yigendera kabisa.